Vinyl project with Silhouette machine, beginner friendly. Step 1. Open Silhouette Studio and select your machine in the page setup panel. Step 2. Set the feed type to auto and the cutting mat to none. Step 3. Next, set the media size to auto 12 by 12. Step 4. Grab the blank and measure it to determine the size of the design you need to make. Step 5. Go to the Library tab and look for a design to work with. Step 6. Double-click the design to open it in the media. Step 7. Right-click the design and click Ungroup. Step 8. Once all the elements are separated, select the elements you do not need and delete them. Step 9. Draw a bounding box over the remaining elements of the design. To select them, right-click and select Group. Step 10. Select the Fill panel from the right toolbar and select a color for the design. Step 11. Zoom in and check if the letters are filled. Step 12. If some parts are filled, select the design and press the Command plus Shift plus G keys together to ungroup the design. Step 13. Select the filled area you want to remove and select white from the Fill panel. Step 14. Once done, select every part of the design, right-click and click Group. Step 15. Resize the design from the width and height measurement in the Quick Access toolbar. Step 16. Select the design and drag it up to the corner of the cutting area while making sure that it's inside the red cut border. Step 17. Go to the Send panel and select the material from the drop-down. Step 18. Set the blade depth and check the remaining settings. Step 19. Now grab the vinyl, line it up on the machine and load it in. Step 20. Go back to Silhouette Studio and click Send. Step 21. It'll measure the material and start cutting. Step 22. Once it's done cutting, grab the hook tool and check if the design is cut all the way through. Step 23. Unload the material and trim off the excess material. Step 24. Go ahead and weed out the design using the hook tool. Step 25. Once you're done weeding, grab transfer tape and peel off the backing sheet. Step 26. Line up and place the transfer tape on the design and scrape it down using a scraper tool. Step 27. Peel off the backing sheet from the transfer tape carefully. Step 28. Place the transfer tape with the design on the blank and smooth it down. Step 29. Once done, peel off the transfer tape and it's done. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.